Keeping your home clean and safe for your little one is a top priority for any parent. But did you know you can make your own baby-friendly cleaning solutions right at home? Here are some simple and effective tips to get you started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and water. These natural ingredients are not only safe for your baby, but also environmentally friendly and cost-effective. For an all-purpose cleaner, mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution is perfect for wiping down surfaces like countertops and high chairs. The vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant, killing germs without harsh chemicals. To tackle tough stains, create a paste using baking soda and water. Apply it to the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub gently. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can lift stains without scratching surfaces. For a fresh-smelling home, add a few drops of lemon juice to your cleaning solutions. Lemon not only adds a pleasant scent, but also boosts cleaning power with its natural antibacterial properties. When cleaning floors, especially where your baby crawls, use a mixture of warm water and a splash of vinegar. This ensures the floors are clean and free from any harmful residues that could irritate your baby's skin. Remember, always label your homemade cleaning solutions and store them safely out of reach of children. Creating your own cleaning solutions is not only easy, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing your home is safe for your baby. Embrace these natural alternatives and enjoy a cleaner, healthier home environment.